Good morning, you beautiful soul. Today is a fresh page. Leave the stress behind, take a deep breath, and start your day with ease. You don't need to rush. You don't need to prove anything. Just be you, and that's more than enough. You've got a light in you.
I can't believe the amount of demolition needed to take down this pantry.
Okay, so this is how these amazing supporting beams look like, going from one wall to the other one. And the wide open space with no pantry in the way. Woohoo! Yay, part of the project is done. Hi everyone, let me give you an update on our kitchen renovation. A few weeks ago I posted some pictures. We were going through renovation in our small kitchen. Right here in this area where we now have a cooler, a beverage cooler, we used to have a pantry, a standalone pantry, and to the left of it was a pocket door. Well, all of that came down, and now we have an open space to see in the family room. I'm standing at the kitchen sink and I'm cooking. I see the girls playing. I can watch TV. So that was the goal, removing the pantry to enlarge the space, to open up the space. And we replaced it, because all of that structure was load bearing, we replaced it with these beams that you see going from one side of the wall to the other side. I will show you one side of the house actually to the other side. These beams are massive because they have to support the ceiling. But I really like the choice of wood, the color. I think it goes really well with the floors. Let me know what you think. Okay, so while we did that, since we added the cooler at the end of the wine cooler, at the end of the island, we had to change the countertop, and we opted for this beautiful marble piece that is different from what we have in the rest of the kitchen. I will show you. But I still like it. I think that we tied it in well with changing the paint on the wall, and it somehow ties in with the fireplace. Let me know what you think in the comments. I would love to hear it. Oh, and while we were doing this changes, we decided on an overhang so that we have some seating space for entertainment, for entertaining. And then we purchased these pretty stools, very simple, I should say. And there is no pocket door, finally. It's just a nice open space. Please let me know what you think about the choice of colors. What do you like and what you don't like? Okay, and to make things a little more clear, we didn't completely get rid of the pantry, but instead we moved it just a few inches across on the other wall. Here it used to be the oven with the microwave on top. Well, we got rid of the microwave because we all know that's not very healthy to use, to say the least. And then we changed the oven with a 2-in-1 stovetop and oven. There used to be just the stovetop and storage space underneath. So now we opted for the 2-in-1 stove and cooktop. We also changed the sink, and I can't be happier with this choice. We went for this titanium sink, which is very large. It's very easy to maintain. It has a very good, they call it X drainage system, and which helps for the water to drain really easily and nothing pulls in. It has a lot of other features that I like. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank